No, there's a big ass bug that just flew in here. Fly out of here. Alright guys, well, today's the day. We got the exhaust. Alright, so obviously we got to do the cold start for the before and after. I am going to actually put my mic down in this spot right here, just to kind of keep it the same for both. I will go ahead and move the mic a little bit closer for each as well, but just so we kind of have a certain spot where it's at so we can tell the difference and it not seem kind of skewed. So let me go ahead and put that there and then we'll start it up, see how it sounds. Stock, which isn't great. We all know that one already. Where did I say I was going to put it? Oh, right here. Alright, there we go. And then stock cold start. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, there's stock. Let's get the SC project put on. Alright guys, welcome back. We're in the garage today for a special little thing. I mentioned in the last video, but I know I didn't post any pictures or anything like that. So I figured I would just show you. I was going to do like an unboxing, but honestly, I was too excited and I unboxed it myself, by myself. But here we got a new slip-on to put on this baby. One thing that did come on this was actually like this little thing. I didn't really love that, mainly because it doesn't fit. So they literally put this on there and then make you take it off. So took it off, and now I think we should be good to install everything. So we'll get that started and see how it goes.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, so I'll be honest. I already heard it. I totally forgot that I had my mic in certain spots when we recorded the stock part. I was just way too excited. We're gonna do it again because I'm still just as excited. I'm excited for y'all to hear this. So put the mic back where it was, start it up, and this will be the SC Project $100 eBay exhaust. Let's see. All right, there it is. Whew, boy. All right. Yeah, I just pissed off some neighbors. So I'm going to shut my garage and we'll be done with this video. Thanks. Okay, bye.